Alright, so I was trying to make a avocado shake with soybean powder, but I'm so surprised with the avocado I bought here because I don't know, this is so katay, this is so hard. This is my first time to eat this kind of avocado, and it's just strange, it's strange. I don't know why. Alright, so I don't know what it's, see that? I didn't technically in Philippines, we tried to, scrape this and put that on the, those things, but here, it's not, it's like green mango. I'm not sure, maybe because, I don't know. I can't, alright, so I can't eat it raw, but I will try to make shake still, and let's see how it works. This is, I'm not sure if is this ripe? No idea with foreign avocado, and this doesn't look like avocado to me. It looks like huge lime or calamansi, or maybe this is calamansi or lime, I don't know. Anyway, let's see what will happen. Come on. So the best thing in cooking is you can eat your mistake. That's I always say. And yeah, and in cooking it's an experiment. So we tried a Hitachi living systems. I think that's for veggies. That's why I didn't create the shake that I really want. So I used a different blender. Now it's Yamazen blender, and yes, we have that green consistency that we want. You see that? Yeah, that one, that green consistency for the shake. Actually, it's not shake, it's crushed. And let's see, you know what, the most important thing is the taste. smell is not avocado at all. Oh. Drink up. Jiggin. I don't know. No. No. It's all because of the avocado. The avocado tastes like coconut meat and crushed it. And it doesn't taste good. I don't know. But maybe this is unripe avocado. Alright, anyways, I don't know this. Sorry. But when I come back to Philippines, I promise I will make avocado shake for you guys. Anyways, that's for a wasteful episode. And this, I hope you've learned that not all avocados can be shaked and mixed with milk and sugar. Now I understand guacamole already. Guacamole, I don't know. I miss our avocado in Philippines. Waste. Motay night. Thank you for finishing the video, and if you want more videos from this channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell and everything, dang 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 dang. And if you're not yet part of the small fam that I'm trying to make, join the button. Yes, and videos, but other interesting videos over there. Thank you so much, and see you to our next video.